Let's try to make this video fast. I only have 32% battery. This is a 22 Magnum lever action from '94, I think. There's the information. So I'm gonna take this apart and clean it. We shot it a little the other day, and I'm not gonna clean it a lot. I know this is a goofy scope here. This was my grandfather's, and it is really a great gun. Very beautiful. So yeah, first, there's one flathead right here. So you just take that out, and then the whole thing breaks apart pretty easily. So you can just doot, and then boop. There's trigger stuff, and then there's the slide. This part has a little pin that will fall out, so be very careful. This is the little latch that kind of grabs the bullets and puts them in. It's tube fed. Come on, very gently. Very gently. See that? See that little pin right there? That will slide right out under my hand if I move it. So try to keep that whole thing together. There. And as long as you keep that together, you should be fine. But that gives us access to clean all inside here, which needs to get done. So I'm going to do that now. I'm also going to swap the barrel. So we gotta get a thumbnail. When I clean stuff, I usually use this little brush. And I just brush the inside. Just knock the soot and exhaust products off. This is hard to do on camera. And then, you know, scrub it down, wipe it off, and then add a little gun oil. Maybe some fogging oil. I've been thinking about that. See, fogging oil is to preserve insides of engine cylinders for the winter. Highly, machined, precise instruments through all of winter. So wouldn't it be good for guns? Because it can stick on the outside and prevent corrosion. So I should do that. That should be a good experiment. If you get yourself one of these little hooks, put a rag in there. And after you scrub this all out, you can start to do the inside of the barrel. Dirty. Don't lose this. I'm talking to my camera. This is a little pin. Take these apart. Kind of like this. See the hole there? That pin will totally fall out, so be careful. Cool. So once you're ready to put the whole thing back together, assuming you've sprayed down trigger bits, you've swabbed out the barrel parts, This is pretty easy. Just want to take this guy. Just kind of, oh, and yep, did you see that? The pin fell out. So you can flip the whole thing around like this. Keep that pin in, and then there you go. And you're pretty much done. You take this bit. There's a thing, the lip right there. It mates. See? That's in. Just bring it up. Oops. Be gentle with her. Be kind with her. Come on. Why aren't you playing ball? You know what? I think I accidentally... There you go. So I'd accidentally pushed this actually too far forwards. That's okay. Just be very gentle. There it is. And then put the flathead back in. And you're pretty much done. And 11% to spare. I'd say this is a success. Love that gun. You don't have to make this wicked tight, just there you go. Now there's no bullets in here. That'd be funny if it went off though. So yeah, smooth as can be. Cool. Hope this helped.